is always pre-fill the filter. I've done some research into this too, and there's actually some debate about whether or not this is necessary, because this will get filled so quickly once the engine starts that, you know, we're talking a fraction of a second that the engine would be without oil. Oh, and in addition, there are some types of engines where the filter is mounted on top like this, so pre-filling it would do nothing. It drains completely every time, no matter what you do, every time you shut the engine off. Well, I seem to have lost some footage of pre-filling this filter. So you take a new filter and you fill it up. Fill it right up to the top. Seats to the top. And now see how far it has dropped already. You still see it, you know, on the top here, but down in the middle, it came all the way up to the top, and now it dropped to, I'd say it's probably about down to here. Now I fill it up again, up to the top. Now some air bubbles are going to come out. It's slowly dropping down again. We're still trying to get this filled completely. Up to the top again. All those air bubbles coming out. To get those membranes in there really saturated, make sure all the air pockets are out of there. This, to me, is why it's super important to pre-fill the filter. Otherwise, this is trying to happen the first time you start the vehicle. It's almost full now. Roll it around a bit. Okay, so that's probably full enough to where I would put it in the vehicle. Now I'll even add a little more still. Yeah, I'm okay not having it completely full because it's too hard to hold and get onto the vehicle without spilling otherwise. A lot of times they're installed at an angle. Yeah, see, it still even dropped quite a bit. This is how much it has to really soak in there. Yep, that's probably good. There. That's how long it takes to really get all those air pockets out of there. Now, of course, if the oil was pressurized, this would happen a lot more quickly, but still, you know, why make the engine do that? Why deprive the engine of a little bit of oil when you can do it yourself right now?